Hey everyone, want to create reporting dashboards in ClickUp? In this video, I'll show you how to build dashboards, track important metrics, and analyze project data using ClickUp step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the ClickUp website. Sign in to your account and open your workspace. Next, go to the **dashboards** section and click the option to create a new dashboard. Give your dashboard a clear name based on what you want to track, such as project performance, team reports, sales overview, or marketing analytics. Now choose the workspace location and set the correct permissions if other team members need access. Next, add dashboard cards ** to display the information you want to monitor. I mean, cards help you visualize important project data in one central location. Add useful widgets such as task progress, completed tasks, workload, time tracking, goals, charts, and activity reports. Customize each card by selecting the spaces, folders, lists, team members, or date ranges you want to analyze. Use filters to focus on specific projects, priorities, statuses, or teams. Next, arrange your dashboard layout so the most important information appears first and is easy to understand. Review your reports regularly to identify delays, productivity trends, completed work, and areas that need improvement. Share dashboards with your team or stakeholders so everyone has access to the same project information. Finally, update your reporting dashboards